dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you.
Hey you guys, welcome to this insane deep clean with me. I have so much cleaning motivation in this video. It is a quick one today, but I am packing in loads and loads of cleaning motivation for you to get your to-do list done today. Stick around until the end because I'm sharing my dirty little secrets, as I like to call them. I was cleaning out the laundry room and I cannot believe how disgusting it had gotten. So I am going to get these dishes done. That way I can get the sink cleared out. Our dishwasher is still not working, so that is why I am hand washing all of the dishes. And I'm not gonna clean out the sink today just because it is midday and we were getting ready to make lunch. So I just wanted to get the dishes out of the sink and get the counters cleaned off.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find.
I picked up this Dawn dish soap the other day. It is the Power Wash, so it's like the sprayer one, and I love it so much. I cannot believe I waited so long to try this one. It is so good, and it gets everything off of your dishes, so you don't have to sit there and scrub forever. I love my Dawn dish soap. That's what I've always used, but I think I like the spray one better. I even use it in my laundry room later on in the video.
Fine, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that
I honestly do not know how we have survived without a dishwasher. I feel like I am constantly washing dishes. The sink is constantly full.
I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now
All right, now that we are done washing dishes, I'm gonna go to the counters. I really needed to scrub off my stove. It had a few things where we were cooking and they had boiled over, so I'm gonna give that a good deep clean. So I'm gonna scrub all of that off, and then I'm gonna wipe down the counters.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning.
This area had gotten super messy, so I'm gonna go in and organize and declutter this area. My kids had toys out here and just things that needed to be thrown away, school papers that needed to be gone through. So I am gonna get everything put away. That way I can wipe down this counter and get this area nice and tidy.
Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
So now I'm moving on to the living room, and for once my dogs were not laying up on the couch when I came in here to clean. They were just like standing around. I don't know what they were doing, but you will see they just keep coming in and standing there. So I'm gonna fold all of these blankets and get the pillows straightened up. I need to get a few more throw pillows for my couch, but I think it is starting to look so cozy in my living room.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. But I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams. And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say.
My vacuum was not picking up any of the dog hair, so I had to completely take it apart and clean it all out. And there was just a giant clog in the suction part of it, so I had to completely take it apart and clean that out, and now it works like a brand new vacuum. So if your vacuum is not working, just take it apart and clean it out, because I definitely had to do that, and now it is working so much better.
It'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the.
I love when I get to this part because I know that I am done with this room once I mop, and my house smelled so good because I used the Fabuloso lemon scent in my mop water, and I threw a little bit of laundry soap in there. My mom always do that. She ran out of mop stuff, so I have always just kind of like mixed them, and it makes your house smell so good. And I feel like the laundry soap definitely helps bring your floors cleaner. Alright, you guys, so this laundry room is disgusting. Look at the floor. There is so much dust and dog hair and stuff that has gotten spilled in here. So I am going to do a super deep clean of this laundry room. I'm going to get the washer and dryer cleaned off. I'm going to wipe them down, and you will see how disgusting the inside of the washer gets. So I'm going to deep clean that as well. But first off, I am going to declutter and organize the top of the washer and dryer. am using that Dawn Power Wash in here as well. I'm gonna dust off the top of the washer and dryer, and then I'm gonna spray that on there and wipe it down. I cannot believe how clean this got the washer and dryer. I just love this stuff. I'm gonna be using it in all of the rooms from now on because it smells amazing. It is the apple scent, and it just smells so good, and it got it all so clean, because if you use certain cleaners on the washer and dryer, sometimes it'll take the writing off. I had that problem with my last ones, and this did not do that, so it just brought them all nice and clean, and my laundry room smelled so good all day long. I definitely need to do a deep clean in here more often, because look how disgusting that is. That was on the door. That is not even on the inside of the washer. That is just on the door. So you will see how gross it is once I get to the inside and start scrubbing out the ring around the washer. I even had to get a little tool to get some of the hair out of it. That's how gross it was. So deep clean with me if you need to do this to your washer, because I am so glad I did. I feel like my laundry is coming cleaner and smells much better. So I definitely need to do this more often. Y'all, look how gross that is. That was what was stuck inside the washer. So I'm gonna sweep all of this up off of the floor. There was a lot of dust and stuff just from the lint tray on the dryer, and then all of the stuff that came out of the washer. So I'm gonna sweep all of that up, and then I'm gonna take the vacuum and mop. But you will see once I mopped, it actually brought more out from underneath the washer. So I actually ended up going in and vacuuming and mopping for a second time, which I didn't put that on camera because I figured you guys wouldn't want to watch that again, but I did have to go in twice with the vacuum and mop in this room.
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up the moonlight.
Alright, now that the floors are all clean and I let the floors dry, I am going to start putting everything back in here. Everything went in the cabinets or other spaces. Some stuff went out in the garage, and yeah, that is going to be the end of this video. This is all I'm putting on the washer, is just the laundry soap and a basket. I hope that you got so much cleaning motivation from today's video, and I hope that it helped you tackle your to-do list, and I will see you next time.
Believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light.